Okay, hello everyone. I'm Rowena M. Flores, a student from National American University, and today I'm just going to have a simple PowerPoint reporting to CEO presentation as a subject requirement for the Marketing Administration course. Okay, so to start this with, I will be discussing here the market research on customer value. So, what the market research has told you about the customer's value when buying a laptop or personal computer. So, since laptop is the basic product that the company is offering to them, so the market research has a really big help in enabling to purchase informations the necessary and major informations with regards to the customer assessment of the brand, the price of the brand, and advertising of the brand in the future quarters, but not really the customer needs and wants. Okay, so moving forward, the marketing research is focusing on the customer needs. So the marketers are really trying to develop a particular product which will really satisfy the customer needs in the end. Next, it allows to examine the cost and benefits of potential products. So there is a thorough study here that will give the marketers an idea or some thoughts on how to establish a fair cost, a profitable one, and how to maximize the benefits of the potential products that they are planning to offer or to sell to their customers. All right, marketing research was said to be incomplete though, because it does not tell you which specific features each segment might want, because the marketers are focusing more on the benefits than with the features. And that is because the customers are more concerned with the benefits than with the features. So what they are looking for the product that they are trying to purchase was what was the benefits that was in there instead of what was the features that was in there. Okay, so moving further, additional information here is a diagram of the customer value hierarchy. So on the first one is the attributes. So here what the product is objectively defined, like product features, what are the product activities, the options, and the parts. While here on the consequences, on the next one, it discusses what the product does for the user or subjectively defined, like the product realizations, what are the benefits, what are the desired and undesired outcomes, what are the sacrifices, and the cost as well. Okay, so for the last one, it's the designed end state. So here, the personal and organizational goals, like the core values and guiding principles, was being included. So the ends, which are served by the product or service, and that product or service will serve as the means. Okay, so the three major products that the Vancouver Technology Solution is trying to develop for the customers are the Hustlers first, next the Vantop, and third is the Vancitop. While for the modified brands, I have here the Vancomp and the Top Choice. Okay, so our target customers are first the innovator, next is the traveler, and last is the Mercedes one. Okay, so in terms of the sales office location, we prefer to establish the main sales office in Chicago and to establish the new sales office location in Mexico. So, Chicago City, we all know that this is a very busy business oriented place where lots of travelers and innovators were there, which are our two basic targeted segments for the laptop. And using of the laptop is really a necessity for them, and there's we can see a big demand that may came from them to use laptop as part of their daily jobs. And while in Mexico, so for the travelers, this is a perfect place for traveling. So there were lots of travelers here that can also demand for the use of laptop in their everyday traveling life. Okay, so on this next one, I will be explaining about how many sales team members are we going to put in each of our targeted locations. So there is a thorough study that we did and exercise uh, and help us to decide how many sales team we need to put in each of the location, the one in Chicago and the one in Mexico. Okay, in Chicago, we decided to hire five sales team. One will be in the support, and three will be in the innovator target segment, and one will be in the traveler target segment in Chicago. On the other hand, in the location in Mexico, we plan to hire three sales team. One will be in the support, and two will be in the traveler target segment. Okay, so moving forward, the effective advertising that the Vancouver Technology Solution is planning to use is the one that was named the answer. So here, there is a database application included, link pieces with network, local sales and support, high speed and execution time, mention the brand name, rebate special price deal, feature office applications, and presentation applications. So for us, this is just a perfect picture of an effective and persuading kind of advertisement where what the customer can really get from the product was being explained and showed in there. Okay, so each marketing department of every company have their own marketing plans, marketing strategies, and marketing actions. But there is always this one who is always leading the competition, who is always having the great job. And it can be considered always as the biggest threat in the competition. So we have to detect who was it so we can take the necessary action that we can develop or do in order to beat this competitor. Okay, so speaking of the biggest threat in the competition, overall, after taking a look on each company's individual performances, it looks like this Applegate Computer Company is really doing the great job. Impressive. It's really getting ahead in the competition and it's acting as the biggest threat in the market. Um, we can see it here that it got a total performance of 29.199. Wow, impressive. A financial performance of 22.517, market performance of 0.485, marketing effectiveness of 0.730, investment in the firms of 1.603, and a wealth creation of 2.284. So we as marketers cannot just sit here and watch it happening. So for marketers, it can't happen. We have to do something about it. We have to do some effective and better marketing plans on how we can beat this competitor. um, that's where the marketing jobs are and that's where the marketing challenges are though. We should not just match these performances but we need to exceed it, really. Okay, so to sum it up, The overall market performance of the Vancouver and technology solutions in the simulation process is not really that great. It actually needs some revisions with the marketing plans that I've done. It's honestly not that competitive enough in the market, and I accepted that. And it's a challenge to me. There's too much operating expenses that I incurred that affects the overall operating profit of the company, but I know it can still be lessened in some way. So in some way, in one way or another, it can be improved. So there's just still a need to study deeper and understand more the concept of marketing and especially of finance on my part as a marketer. And I need to establish more demand in the market. So through some improved advertising, it's not the end of the world for any marketer who is having a performance like this, but I know this is the biggest challenge that each of us as marketers can face and can overcome if we will just be able to understand deeper the aspects of marketing and finances. All right, so that is all. Hope you learned something important about it. Thank you for watching, and you have a good day. Thank you.